Who was the ruler of India when the East India Company was established? A. Aurangzeb, B. Babur, C. Akbar. Correct answer is C. Akbar. Which country is known as the land of marble? A. Italy, B. Greece, C. Turkey. Correct answer is A. Italy. In which state of India is the famous Jagannath temple located? A. Odisha, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Odisha. Which Muslim ruler had the image of goddess Lakshmi printed on his coins? A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, B. Iltutmish, C. Muhammad Ghori. Correct answer is A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which city in India is most famous for the leather industry? A. Kanpur, B. Agra, C. Chennai. Correct answer is A. Kanpur. Where do most Sikh people live in India? A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Delhi. Correct answer is B. Punjab. In which field is the Oscar award presented? A. Music, B. Film, C. Sports. Correct answer is B. Film. What is the main festival celebrated by Sikhs? A. Baisakhi, B. Holi, C. Diwali. Correct answer is A. Baisakhi. Which city is the capital of Nepal? A. Pokhara, B. Kathmandu, C. Janakpur. Correct answer is B. Kathmandu. Which is the richest Indian state in terms of revenue? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Which Indian city is known as the Golden City? A. Jaipur, B. Amritsar, C. Jaisalmer. Correct answer is C. Jaisalmer. In which part of the human body is the smallest bone located? A. Ear, B. Leg, C. Hand. Correct answer is A. Ear. How many spokes are there in the wheel, Ashoka Chakra, of the Indian national flag? A. 20, B. 24, C. 26. Correct answer is B. 24. Which goddess is also known as Veena Pani? A. Lakshmi, B. Saraswati, C. Parvati. Correct answer is B. Saraswati. Brass is an alloy of which two metals? A. Copper and tin, B. Copper and zinc, C. Iron and zinc. Correct answer is B. Copper and zinc. Which country is known as the land of thirsty soil? A. Somalia, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Sudan. Correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Which sea has no fish at all? A. Dead Sea, B. Caspian Sea, C. Aral Sea. Correct answer is A. Dead Sea. In which region are black grapes mainly found? A. Nashik, B. Shimla, C. Amritsar. Correct answer is A. Nashik. Which of the following forts is not located in Rajasthan? A. Kumbhalgarh Fort, B. Jaisalmer Fort, C. Golconda Fort. Correct answer is C. Golconda Fort. What is the national heritage animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Correct answer is A. Elephant.